Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a love reading for Pisceans. Let's see how is the month of December going to be for you all guys. It is going to be a general love reading, so it won't resonate with everyone out there, so just keep that in mind. Cross watchers are also welcome here. So if you're new to my channel, please do consider subscribing my channel. Also press the bell icon so to never miss any update from my channel. Let's see what's happening for Pisces in the month of December. I will try to post all the signs before the December ends. Like in the next 2 to 3 days, I will post every sign. Okay, let's see what's happening for Pisces in the month of December. What's happening for Pisces placements? What's happening for Pisces? Okay, first we have is the Nine of Cups. This might be your own energy because this is a water element card, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So you might be dealing with another Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, what more do we have for Pisces? Okay, Eight of Cups, again cups. So it might be that you are dealing with some another water sign, or this might be your own energy. What more do we have? Yeah, Three of Wands. As far as I'm seeing this is Aries, Leo, Sag energy. I'm seeing this. Some of your wishes are going to be fulfilled, Pisces. Definitely. Maybe you are looking back to someone, feeling sad, feeling remorseful, want to connect back with someone, feeling alone, feeling sad, feeling left out, or this person you're dealing with might feel the same about you. Okay, and the bottom of the deck is Mother of Swords. This is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy wanting to connect to you, or you might want to connect to someone. So definitely something is changing, something is shifting here. There are a lot of emotions that will be surfacing in the month of December. Okay, or you might try to move away from someone. Okay, you might have waited too long for someone, and now you don't want to wait anymore for this person. So there are two sets of people we are talking about. The one who are wanting to go back to their past, or maybe your person wants to connect to you, and the other halves of you are someone who are feeling as if this is not worth your wait. You have to move forward, you have to keep moving forward in your life. So you might be moving away from someone, okay, after having waited for too long for that person. Now your wait is over, now your patience is over, and now you want to move forward in your life. You want to move something towards something more emotionally connected, more emotionally satisfying. Okay, so yeah, that's what's happening here. I'm also seeing Pisceans, what's happening here is there is a shift of energies happening. Either you're shifting backwards to your past, or you're shifting forward in your future. Okay, so as I told you, there are two sets of people that might be watching this video, and some of them might have a very positive and optimistic mindset coming out of a very you have been going lately through something that was drowning your energies, that was pulling you back, that made you feel sad and depressive, and now you want to enter like peaceful state of mind. You don't want to feel that anymore. So that is something beautiful. See, you're moving towards something that is beautiful, that is hopeful, that is more peaceful and grounded. Okay, so this is something really beautiful here. Okay, some of your wishes are going to be fulfilled. What are these wishes about, please? What is this Nine of Cups about? Okay, we have Ace of Cups. So you want to invest into someone where your feelings will be reciprocated, where your efforts will be reciprocated. Okay, your emotions will be dealt with very positively. Your emotions will be handled with care. So basically you want to invest into something better. This is also a water sign card, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, maybe you will receive a very beautiful offer of love from someone if you're wanting that. Okay, if you're expecting, if you were wishing for a new beginning with someone, you will be receiving that too, reuniting with your past lover. But for majority of you Pisces, I'm seeing you will be receiving a love offer from someone new. Okay, from someone who is very passionate about you. It might be a Capricorn you were thinking about. Okay, maybe this is a Capricorn who is very obsessed with you, passionate about you. um, so it might be your past person for some of you, and for the majority of you it is going to be a new person. Or it might be possible that the same person you have already dealt with might come up with a new sort of passion and love and attraction for you. Okay, so that is something really beautiful, because underneath that we have lovers, Gemini energy. Definitely something you can rely upon, something that you were expecting from a very very long time. The kind of love, the kind of attention, the kind of relationship you were expecting is coming towards you. A passionate and dedicated efforts. Okay, so let's see what's more. What is this Eight of Cups about for Pisces placements? What is this Eight of Cups coming up for Pisces, please? What is this Ace of Cups coming up for Pisces? Okay, this is Ace of Wands. I'm also seeing you feel a lack of passion. Maybe with the person you are with, maybe the person you were with, you feel a lack of passion, and you want to have that passion, you want to feel that passion, because you have the same sort of feelings for the other person, and you're not getting that same feelings and same warmth and love and affection from the other side. So you want a new beginning with someone, as I told you, from either of your past lover or a new person. Many of you are wanting a new person in your life. You are not expecting something that you have already had a chance to share your romantic feelings with. Okay, Son of Wands at the bottom of the deck, I am seeing this is something, a new fresh start. Maybe someone has their eyes set on you. Maybe someone has a crush on you. They are waiting for the right time to express their love for you. Okay, so that is what's happening. Let's clarify the Three of Wands. What is this Three of Wands about? I think some of you are looking back at someone, waiting for someone, or many of you are not wanting to wait anymore. Okay, so what is this Three of Wands about? Yeah, a lot of confusion. This is Seven of Cups. You are looking back, and you are thinking about all the times when your emotions, when your feelings, when your time, when your efforts weren't being reciprocated. Maybe you feel as if this person has had someone in their life, someone from their past, their ex, or maybe a new person. Okay, maybe you were dealing with someone who was not sure about how they feel about you, and now you are in the state of mind where you don't know where you belong in this person's life. Okay, because the bottom of the deck is Father of Cups. You don't want Seven of Cups, you want Father of Cups. Father is like a king. Okay, you want someone who is very consistent with you, who is not in and out with you, who consistently shows and expresses their feelings and love towards you. That is what you want. Okay, not something who you don't want to deal with unclear emotions. You want something that is clear and right there. Okay, someone who might hold your hand and tell to the world proudly that yes, this girl is mine, or I belong to this girl or this boy. Okay, whatever. What more do we have for Pisces coming up in the month of December, please? All placements, please. Pisces, all placements. I don't want these many cards, please. Just one card at a time. What's coming up for Pisces? What's coming up for Pisces? What's this Ace of Cups about? Yeah, the Hierophant. So I think this is Taurus energy. I think you are now ready to wait for something that you really deserve. You don't want to jump onto someone who you are not sure about, or who is not sure about you and their connection. You are taking your time. You're taking your time thinking about a new offer or an old offer, and taking your own decision. Okay, you want better things for yourself. You don't want to rush into someone. You don't want to be you just want to be rational with yourself and with the other person. Okay, so you will take your time, you will analyze things, people. Okay, and that will give you some sort of clear you will have a clean slate. Okay, you will have your own decisions, you will have your own priorities set, you will set your boundaries. Okay, you will let this person know whether this is new or the old one. You will let them know, this is what I want, this is what I expect, and this is what I'm worth of. If you're not giving me that, please, you can leave the door. Like, door is open for you, you can leave the situation. And the bottom of the deck is justice. I told you, you want justice. Okay, you might be dealing with a Libra. Okay, so you want justice, you want to do fair things to yourself. Now you don't want to be someone's choice or option. You want to be the only one. Okay, so you want a fair decision to be taken, and as I told you, you want happiness. Sun is beneath that. Definitely you want happiness for yourself. Okay, so that is something like beautiful energy. Okay, Pisces, what is this Ace of Wands coming up for Pisces, please? What is this Ace of Wands coming up for all placements of Pisces? What is this Ace of Wands coming up in this reading? Yeah, Six of Cups. With this Ace of Cups clarifying the Ace of Wands, I think yes, you miss this person, you want them, you have the special place in your heart for this person, but you want to, as I told you, you want to be fair with yourself. So you are cultivating their memories inside of you, but you want something that is beautiful, something that is stable. Okay, you want a relationship that is stable, maybe with the same person, maybe with a new person, but you want something that is fresh, that is consistent, that is warm. And you don't want someone who is not sure about how they feel about you. Okay, yes, you are missing them, you want to connect to them, but not going on the same path with them. Okay, you want something changed because you are in this Empress energy. This is the Taurus energy. You are in this Empress energy, Pisces, and that is beautiful. You are taking your decisions, you are putting up your boundaries, you are taking care of yourself, you are being too attractive to people around you. Okay, many of them are attracted to you. Yeah, people want to work with you. This is Three of Pentacles. People want to work with you, or at your workspace, at your your friend circle. People want to be with you. Okay, because you radiate happiness and you're fair with everyone around you. Yeah, so that is something really beautiful. What more do we have? What is the Seven of Cups about? Please clarify. Yeah, Six of Wands. You want to go beneath that. This is a card of determination. This is a kind of card of optimism. Okay, this is Aries, Leo, Sag energy. Sorry, this is Six of Swords. Sorry for that. This is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. Okay, so I think you are, because this is clarifying Seven of Cups energy, I think you want to cut ties with anyone and everyone, those who bring lack of clarity, those who bring overwhelmed feelings, those who stress you, those who don't bring happiness to you. Okay, you want to walk away from such people and energies. May it be your friends, may it be your colleagues, may it be your work situation, your family situation. You want to leave the toxic situations, and that is really beautiful. Everyone needs to do that. Okay, Pisces, because as I told you, you you are cutting off everyone around you that are toxic to you, but you are not hurting anyone. You just want to defend yourself, you just want to take care of yourself, because this is a Mother of Swords. I think you want to take care of yourself. You don't want to be used as a rag, you don't want to be someone's option. Okay, so yeah, that is what I'm seeing here. You are wanting to be careless and free, and this innocent little bird that is ready to fly, that is ready to do whatever they want and travel the world. Okay, this is a world energy. This is beautiful. You want to see what's on the other side. You want to explore. Okay, you want to see the better things, and you want to be defensive about yourself. Okay, you want a connection that is just giving you these motherly vibes. Okay, so yeah, that is what's happening for Pisces. I hope that is enough. Now let's jump to the oracle messages, and then we will also see handwritten messages. Sorry for the mess. Let me clear that up. Let's see what's coming up for Pisces, all placements. What messages do we have for Pisces? What messages do we have for Pisces, all placements? What messages do we have for Pisces, please? So the bottom of the deck is the World. Definitely you are shifting, your energies are shifting, you are completing something. The World card is also about completion and a new beginning, a new phase. Okay, leaving something behind for some. You want to explore the other side. I told you, you want to see whether the grass is greener on the other side. Okay, so this is beautiful energy. The action, it is time for you to take action. Pisces, you have waited too long. You have given numerous chances to someone. Okay, you have never ever prioritized yourself. Okay, so you need to do that. Take action. If you are waiting for the right time, nothing better than today. Take that first step. Okay, don't wait for tomorrow, don't wait for the 1st January. Start from today itself. Take action. Okay, if you want to leave a toxic situation that doesn't fit into, please move forward. Don't think what the other person will think. Did they ever think about, did they ever give a thought about how you must be feeling when they don't care about you, when they leave you in the cold? So why you need to do that? Okay, it's not being selfish, it's about your self-love. Okay, see, you want caring connections in your life. You don't want someone who is always in and out of your life. You want someone who is consistent. Okay, you give love and you want that back too, right? So yeah, what more do we have for Pisces? Wow, walking away. I told you, you need to walk away. You need to stand up for yourself and don't look back. I mean, in this picture, this lady is looking back. Don't look back. Just walk away. If need be, don't look back. It might make you weak. It might make you feel guilty. So don't do that to yourself. Just walk away if need be. Don't entertain anyone's shit. Okay? So yeah. More power to you, Pisces. Let's see from the handwritten messages, what do we have for you? What's coming up for you in the month of December? What's coming up for Pisces? What's coming up for Pisces, please? What's coming up for Pisces? Marriage. You might want a relationship you want a stable relationship that goes towards marriage. Okay, you don't want something that is just casual. Sorry, someone might ask you for forgiveness. Okay, or someone is sorry about something that they did to you, but I think it's too late. It's too late. Okay, codependency, maybe you will realize you were codependent on someone, so leave that situation. Codependency is never a good thing. Fire sign, you might be dealing with someone who is of fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarian. What more do we have for Pisces? What messages? See, I told you, leave toxic relationships. Definitely walk away. Okay, walk away from these toxic relationships. Next is the soulmate. You might find your soulmate. See, if you leave toxic situations, you are definitely going to get your soulmate. Okay, or you are going to reach another dimension where you will meet your soulmate. Okay, only if you leave this toxic situation. So analyze your situation. What is it? Okay, so I hope you like the reading, Pisces. I really wish your month of December and many more months to go are full of happiness, full of joy, full of stability. And this was it for you. If you liked the reading, if it resonated with your situation, please hit the like button. And if you are new to my channel, do consider subscribing my channel. See you in next video.